You felt the shift. He was consistent, attentive, engaged, and then suddenly something changed. The messages slowed down, the plans became less frequent, and his tone felt different. When this happens, most people assume the feeling is gone. However, withdrawal does not always mean loss of interest. In many cases, it reflects internal conflict, stress processing, or fear triggered by closeness. Men often respond to emotional intensity differently, and when connection deepens, their instinct may be to create space rather than move closer. Understanding what drives that instinct helps you respond in a way that brings stability instead of pushing him further away. Let's start with the 6 most common reasons men pull back before we move into what actually makes them return. 1. Fear of vulnerability. Closeness creates exposure. When a man begins to care deeply, he becomes aware that his emotional stability is partly in someone else's hands. That realization can feel risky. Opening up means admitting he values you, and that admission increases the potential for hurt. In early stages, flirting and excitement feel safe since nothing is fully at stake. However, once conversations become more personal or attachment strengthens, the stakes rise. He may notice himself thinking about you more often, and that awareness can trigger hesitation. Pulling back gives him a sense of regained control. This reaction is not always conscious. He might simply feel the need to slow down without fully articulating why. Creating distance reduces emotional intensity and allows him to feel less exposed, at least temporarily. 2. Processing emotions alone. Many men are accustomed to handling emotional stress internally rather than verbally. When feelings become strong, instead of discussing them openly, they may retreat to sort through their thoughts privately. Heightened emotion can also create physical tension. When stress levels rise, some men reduce interaction to regulate themselves. Silence becomes a way of regaining balance rather than rejecting connection. If he pulls back during moments of emotional intensity, it often reflects a need to reset internally. The absence of communication does not always signal detachment. Sometimes it reflects an attempt to manage overwhelming feelings without appearing unstable. 3. Testing phase behavior. At certain points, he may reduce effort intentionally to observe your response. This behavior often appears subtle. He replies slower, initiates less, or delays plans to see whether you compensate by increasing your effort. This testing phase stems from uncertainty. He wants reassurance without directly asking for it. By stepping back slightly, he measures how invested you are. If you chase aggressively, he may feel secure temporarily. If you remain composed and consistent, he also learns about your emotional stability. Although this behavior can feel manipulative, it often comes from insecurity rather than strategy. He wants confirmation that the connection matters to you without risking direct vulnerability. 4. The rubber band effect. Why do men pull back after getting close? In the early stage of connection, emotional intensity can build very fast. You talk for hours, share personal stories, feel strong chemistry, and spend more time together than either of you expected. During this phase, everything feels exciting and effortless. However, when the emotional closeness increases quickly, some men begin to feel the weight of that intensity. This reaction is not about losing feelings, it is about internal balance. When connection becomes very close in a short time, he may suddenly realize how much he cares. That realization can create pressure. He might think about expectations, future responsibility, or how deeply he is getting attached. In response, he pulls back slightly to restore a sense of control over his own emotions. The important part here is timing. The withdrawal usually happens right after a peak moment of closeness, such as a very personal conversation, a meaningful date, or a weekend spent together. You feel things moved forward, and then the distance appears. That space allows him to process the intensity and regain emotional steadiness. When he returns after this pause, the connection often feels grounded rather than rushed, since he has had time to absorb what he is feeling instead of reacting to it impulsively. 5. Independence anxiety. As emotional connection strengthens, some men begin to imagine long-term implications earlier than they admit. At first, spending time together feels easy and exciting. Later, when routines start blending and expectations grow, he may quietly question how much of his independence will remain intact. This does not necessarily mean he wants distance from you. It often means he is trying to understand how commitment fits into his personal structure. For example, he might start noticing small shifts in his schedule. Maybe he spends fewer evenings with friends, or less time on hobbies he once prioritized. Even if those changes happen naturally, he may interpret them as losing ground. The mind sometimes associates closeness with restriction, especially if he values autonomy strongly. As a result, he pulls back slightly to test whether he still feels free. You may notice that during this phase he becomes more focused on individual activities, mentions needing time alone, or reconnects intensely with friends. This behavior can look like withdrawal. In reality, it may reflect internal reassurance. Once he sees that the relationship allows room for personal space without punishment or guilt, his comfort level often increases again. 6. Attachment style collision. Not everyone manages emotional tension in the same way. When stress appears, one person may want to talk immediately, while the other needs silence first. If you tend to seek reassurance through conversation, and he tends to regulate through distance, friction builds quickly. Imagine a moment when communication slows. You might respond by asking what is wrong or requesting clarity. He, meanwhile, may interpret repeated questions as pressure. The more you seek connection to feel secure, the more he creates space to calm himself. This back and forth can escalate without either person intending harm. Over time, this dynamic creates misunderstanding. You may feel abandoned while he feels overwhelmed. Neither interpretation is fully accurate. It is a mismatch in coping rhythm. When both partners recognize this difference, tension reduces. Without that awareness, however, each reaction reinforces the other, turning a temporary pause into a larger emotional gap. Now that you understand what often drives the distance, the next step is knowing how to respond in a way that lowers pressure rather than increasing it, since the reaction you choose in this moment often determines whether he moves further away or gradually comes back. 1. The calm confidence approach. When he pulls back, the natural instinct is to seek reassurance quickly. You may want to ask where he stands, whether he still cares, or why his energy changed. However, reacting from anxiety often confirms his fear of pressure. Instead, calm confidence communicates stability. Calm confidence means maintaining your normal tone, routine, and pace without escalating the situation. You continue your plans, respond politely, and avoid overanalyzing every delay. If he messages, you reply thoughtfully without sounding resentful. If he takes longer, you do not confront immediately unless the pattern becomes consistent. This approach works since it shows emotional self-control. He sees that your mood does not swing based on his temporary withdrawal. Stability reduces tension. When he feels that you are grounded and not panicking, the internal pressure that caused the retreat often decreases. 2. Strategic space giving. Space can either feel like abandonment or relief, depending on how it is delivered. Strategic space giving means stepping back slightly without drama. You reduce initiation a little, allow him to reach out first at times, and focus attention on your own activities. The difference between space and silence is intention. You are not punishing him. You are allowing room for his emotional reset. When he senses that you are not chasing or demanding explanation immediately, he has the opportunity to reflect without resistance. This kind of space often rebalances momentum. If he values the connection, he begins noticing the shift. The absence of pressure can trigger awareness of what he might lose. In many cases, once tension drops, he resumes contact voluntarily. 3. Retriggering curiosity. Distance sometimes dulls excitement. Retriggering curiosity involves reintroducing elements of individuality that initially attracted him. This does not mean playing games. It means reconnecting with parts of your life that are independent of the relationship. For example, if you start mentioning a new project, spending time with friends, or pursuing goals without centering him in every update, he becomes aware that your life is active beyond him. Curiosity grows when he sees that he does not fully know everything about your current focus. Attraction often strengthens when mystery and growth coexist. By redirecting some attention toward yourself and allowing him to observe your independence, you shift the dynamic from pursuit to intrigue. 4. The conversation that resets emotional safety. If distance continues beyond a temporary phase, a clear and steady conversation becomes necessary. The key lies in tone and framing. Instead of accusing or demanding reassurance, you speak from your experience. You might say, I've noticed things feel a bit different lately, and I want to understand where we both stand. This wording invites discussion without confrontation. It focuses on mutual clarity rather than blame. During this conversation, maintaining composure matters more than delivering perfect lines. When he senses that you are not attacking his character or questioning his commitment aggressively, he feels safer responding honestly. That safety often allows him to re-engage without defensiveness. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.